Hi, I'm Stu, lead trainer at Sonardyne. Welcome to our Fusion 2 short series. Today we're going to be talking about an important aspect when using profiles within a baseline calibration. The important thing to remember when using a profile within a baseline calibration is it should go all the way to the seabed and ideally at the deepest point in the array. The reason for this is if you imagine your array is deeper than the deepest point in the profile, the software will use that last point within the profile for all baseline measurements within the array. So if we look to the software, we're going to use a profile to calibrate this extend array scenario. Over here in the environmental settings, I've already loaded the profile in, and you can see that it's allocated a sound velocity based on the depth of the transponder, which we can also see the depths in the locations table. In this particular scenario, I've added the two extend array transponders with large depth differences, up to 400 meters in some cases. And you can see over in the sound velocity implementation in the environmental tab that there is very little difference between the transponders that are 1,000 meters and the transponders that are at 1,500 meters. The effects of this, in the calibration scenario, ranges would be rejected or incorrectly calculated, which would lead to a poorly calibrated array. In tracking scenarios, incorrect range of information being fed to the vehicle would lead to poor navigation, or at worst case, no navigation. The key point here is don't operate outside of the limits of your profile. Thanks for watching. Look out for more videos in our Fusion 2 short series. If you want any other information on Fusion 2, please visit our knowledge base on our website at sonardyne.com. See you next time.